Use a simple roof live load thumb rule to size structural members for routine maintenance and light snow so you can make quick, conservative decisions on small residential projects. A common rule is to start with a minimum live load of 20 pounds per square foot for occupancy and maintenance, then increase that value where rooftop equipment will be accessed or where local snowfall is heavier. Always check the local snow load map and convert the ground snow load to roof snow load using the applicable building code equations for slope, exposure, thermal condition, and importance category. This converts a general regional value into the roof design load you must use. For short-term checks, you can treat small flat or low slope roofs as tributary areas and apply the live load uniformly across that area, summing point loads where equipment pads or access platforms concentrate weight. When evaluating beams and rafters, use simple span formulas with the chosen design load to estimate bending moment and shear, then compare to allowable stresses for the material you plan to use. Remember to add allowance for drift loads at parapets and near higher roof elements where snow will accumulate, and raise the design live load for areas where multiple workers or heavy maintenance tools will be present. If you are unsure about conversion factors or deflection limits, consult the building code or a licensed structural engineer before final sizing. People often assume the published regional snow value is the roof load, which ignores slope and exposure. Check code conversion factors and adjust accordingly. Another common error is using just the minimum 20 pounds per square foot everywhere without considering rooftop equipment or congregated workers. For those locations, increase the live load based on expected use and concentrated loads. Finally, designers sometimes forget drift and local geometry effects around parapets and dormers. Address this by applying code drift multipliers or localized load additions and by laying out rooftop walking paths to minimize drift buildup. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by listing projects and allowing direct messages between parties. We also host a discussion community where members share practical tips, local code experiences, and real-world photos that can help you apply the roof live load thumb rule to your specific situation.